Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my helpful tutorials. Today we are diving into the latest update from CBSE regarding the Art Integrated Project 2024-25. On January 16, 2025, CBSE released an important circular instructing all schools to submit their Art Integrated Project details through the KalaSetu Portal, available on the CBSE website at www.cbse.gov.in. Schools must complete their entries on or before February 14, 2025. So let's ensure we get this done correctly and on time. Step 1. Open the CBSE website. First, open your web browser and type www.cbse.gov.in in the address bar or simply search CBSE on Google. Click on the first link to open the CBSE main website. Once you are on the home page, click on the Pariksha Sangam portal. After that, select the school menu from the options available. Step 2. Access the KalaSetu section. On the school menu page, you will see 5 tabs. Select the Pre-Exam Activities tab. Inside this tab, locate and click on the KalaSetu menu. This will take you to the Art Education and Art Integrated Learning page, where you will need to click the Continue button. Log in to the portal. Next, the login page will appear. Here enter your LOC credentials, type the CAPTCHA code and click Login. You will now see the main page titled Art Education and Art Integrated Learning 2024 report. This page contains 6 parts that need to be filled out. Let's go through each part in detail. Part 1. Add art teacher details. In part 1, you will need to enter the details of your art teachers. In the first text box, type the name of the art teacher. In the second text box, enter the phone number of the corresponding teacher. You can add a maximum of 12 art teachers including dance, music and art integrated teachers by clicking the Add button. Once done, click the Save and Next button to proceed to Part 2. Part 2. Upload Arts Periods information. Here you will need to select the class from the drop-down menu. Choose the day and enter the art period per week. Add the time slots for each period. For example, let's say you are adding arts periods information for class 1. You will select the class, day and fill in the time slots accordingly. Repeat this process for all classes from 1 to 10, one by one. Then click Save and Next to move to Part 3. Part 3. Arts Activities as per syllabus performed. In this section, you need to enter the serial numbers of the arts activities performed based on the guidelines provided in Annexure 2. To access Annexure 2, click the provided link. Here you will find a detailed list of activities and their corresponding serial numbers such as Visual Arts, Performing Arts, Music, Vocal or Instrumental, Performing Arts, Music, Melodic Instrument, Creative Drama, Dance and Movement. Refer to this list and note down the numbers corresponding to the activities conducted in your school. For instance, if your school performed activities under Visual Arts and Dance, you will enter their respective serial numbers in the portal. Once this is done, click Save and Next to proceed further. Part 4. Arts Integrated Activity for classes 1 to 12. In this section, you will need to enter the details of the art integrated activities conducted for each class. Here's how. Select the activity from the drop-down menu. Some examples include role play, art exhibitions, slideshows, etc. After selecting the activity, choose the subjects it was integrated with. Enter the topic name for the activity. Let me show you an example. If the activity is role play and the subject is history, you can enter the topic as Freedom Fighters of India. Repeat this process for all classes from 1 to 12. Once done, click the Save and Next to button to proceed. Part 5. Details about your tourism clubs. In this section, you will answer questions related to your school's Your Tourism Club. The first question asks, has the Your Tourism Club been constituted at your school as per CBSE Circular Number Academic 55/2022 dated 18/5/2022? If your answer is yes, you will need to provide the total number of students who participated in activities under the Your Tourism Club. A list of 5 activities conducted by the club in the session 2022-23. Use the Add button to input all the details for these activities. After completing the entries, click Save and Next to move to the final part. Part 6. Art Integrated Project Details. This is the final step where you will provide comprehensive information about the art integrated projects conducted. Here's what to do. Enter the art topic for the project. Select the class for which the project was conducted. Choose the subjects integrated with the project. If the project integrates multiple subjects, hold the Ctrl key and select all relevant subjects. Specify the duration of the project such as 2 months or 3 months. Enter the project start date and end date. Input the number of students who participated in the project. For each class, provide a summary of the project in the text box. Verify all the data entered and use the Add button to save class-wise details. Once you have entered all the information, click the Save and Submit button. After submission, you will receive a reference number. Make sure to note it down and save it for future reference. And that's it. You have successfully completed all the steps for submitting your school's Art Integrated Project details on the KalaSetu Portal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow educators and subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.